London Super Gel is a gel effect nail polish designed to give glossy, long-lasting nails at home without using a UV lamp. Super Gel is a simple two-step system that gives nails a gel-style finish without a UV light. You apply the Super Gel shade first, then seal it with the Super Gel top coat. The top coat is what activates the high shine and helps lock everything in, giving nails a smooth, plump, glossy look. Application is super straightforward. Start with clean, dry nails, then apply one thin coat of your Super Gel shade. After it dries, you can go in with the Super Gel top coat to seal the manicure. There's no base coat or lamp involved, which makes this easy to do at home. With the Super Gel top coat, the finish is high shine and glossy rather than flat or matte. Super Gel is designed to be chip resistant and last up to 14 days, giving longer wear than standard nail polish. Even though it looks like gel, it removes with normal nail polish remover. There's no soaking or scraping, which makes it easier on the nails. One shade that really shows what Super Gel does so well is Rock and Roll, the best-selling Super Gel shade. Rock and Roll is best-selling because it's a timeless red that delivers consistent colour, high shine and versatile wear with the Super Gel top coat. Rimmel London Super Gel is ideal if you want gel-style shine at home without a UV lamp.